Welcome to Atlantic Computers and Electronics Limited. We have a long-standing reputation for delivering value to our loyal customers for over 40 years. We are a leading provider of integrated information technology products and solutions in Ghana, delivering high-quality standard and custom solutions. We have partnered with Autodesk as a value-added reseller and training center in Ghana for over 20 years. Our services have also extended to cover Liberia and Sierra Leone recently. Our aim is to help professionals in the AEC industry, especially engineers, architects, contractors, and manufacturers to embrace and adopt new technologies and trends like BIM, and to help them maximize return on their investments by supporting the full life cycle of their key initiatives from assessment and design to deployment, training, and ongoing management. As Autodesk valued reseller, we take a keen interest in not just selling products and solutions to our customers, but also providing them with the required support, skills, and training needed to make full use of these products and solutions. As part of our portfolio, we also offer IT managed service. Our managed service is flexible and customizable, tailored to meet the specific needs of our cherished clients and to boost their productivity. The security of your network and data is at the heart of our operations. We provide systems that have features to protect your data and ensure your peace of mind. Visit us at our corporate head office in Accra, Odom House on the Water Road, Hila Liman Highway in Northridge, Asylum Dam, or call us on 054-433-4004 or 054-433-4003. You can also visit us at www.atlantic-computers.com. Atlantic Computers and Electronics Limited, your preferred partner in technology.